With Thanksgiving right around the corner, what goes better with turkey than a homemade cranberry sauce? If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any delicious recipes. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Zested Foods. My name is Christine, and this channel is all about strengthening the family, one meal at a time. As a kid, whenever I saw the sliced cranberry sauce from a can, I never wanted to eat it because I always thought they were beets, and I hate beets. So I hate to admit that I hadn't tried cranberry sauce with my turkey until a few years ago. And I'm here to tell you, don't make the same mistake that I did. Eat the cranberry sauce with the turkey because they pair so well together. Cranberry sauce is probably one of the easiest things that you're going to make for your Thanksgiving dinner. Plus you can make it a few days in advance, so it's one less thing you have to do on the big day. For the sauce, add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water to a pot over medium-high heat. Once your sugar's dissolved, go ahead and add in 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, and I've washed these and picked through them to make sure that there was no bad cranberries. Add in 2 cinnamon sticks, and if you like the flavor of star anise, you can add 1 in. If you don't, just leave it out. We're gonna slice up 2 apples, and then you're gonna peel off the skin. You're gonna dice them up, and we'll put them into our sauce. Next, we're gonna take 1 tangerine, and we're gonna slice this in half. Then squeeze the juice into the sauce. I like to put a strainer over my pot just to collect any of the seeds that fall in. Zest 1 of the tangerines, but make sure you only get this orange part of the tangerine and not the pith, because that part is really bitter and it doesn't taste as good. Add the zest to the pot. Stir the sauce and you're gonna start to hear the cranberries pop. That's a good thing. And then once they pop, we're gonna turn down the heat and let them cook for about 10 minutes. Add in a pinch of salt and then turn down your heat to low. While your sauce is cooking, cut up 2 tangerines by removing the skin and then dicing them small. Once your sauce has thickened, turn off the heat and add in your tangerines. Even if you don't like cranberry sauce, you should still make this just to make your house smell amazing. Go ahead and transfer your sauce to your bowl. Once your sauce has cooled down, remove the cinnamon sticks and the star anise, then place it in your fridge for 4 hours. Remember, you can make this sauce a couple days in advance for your Thanksgiving meal. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this sauce, and we will see you guys in the next video.